In this video, I'll show you exactly how to publish your Roblox game so anyone can play it. By the end of this video, your game will be published and ready to share with friends or the entire Roblox community. First, open Roblox Studio. Then open the game you want to publish. Once your project has finished loading, you're ready for the next step. Move to the top left corner of the screen. Then click File. A drop-down menu will appear. If this is a brand new game, click Publish to Roblox. If you've already published this game before and you're updating it, click Publish to Roblox again to upload your latest changes. If you're publishing a new experience, a new window will open. Now enter your game's name, then add a description if you'd like. You can also choose the genre and other game settings. Once everything looks good, move to the bottom right corner and click Create. Roblox Studio will now upload and publish your game. Once the upload is complete, your game has been successfully published. But before players can join, there's one more important setting to check. Move to the top left corner again. Then click File. Next, click Game Settings. Inside the Game Settings window, click Permissions on the left side. Now turn on Public or Playable if it's currently disabled. Finally, click Save in the bottom right corner. Now open your game's page on Roblox. Simply copy the game link from your browser's address bar. You can now share that link with your friends or anyone you want. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like. And subscribe for more easy Roblox Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.